Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Hi, Mia. How are you?
Oh, hey, Sam. I'm good.
Are you busy right now?
Not really, just walking around.
Fancy a quick bite?
Yeah, I'm actually quite hungry.
What do you want then?
Well, I love Italian food.
Pasta or pizza?
Pasta is my favorite thing.
There's a stall nearby.
Is it any good?
Yes, the reviews are great.
Let's go have a look.
It is just over there.
I can see the sign.
Shall we walk faster?
Yes, I am starving now.
The sun is out today.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Look at that queue.
Oh no, it's very long.
Should we wait here?
Maybe 10 minutes.
The smell is amazing.
Is that fresh garlic?
I think so, yeah.
It makes me more hungry.
What's your top choice?
Definitely spaghetti carbonara.
That's a classic dish.
You know me too well.
They use fresh eggs?
That's the best way.
Do you want cheese?
Lots of Parmesan, please.
Wait, the line moved.
Great, we are next.
Are you paying cash?
No, I have my card.
They take contactless here.
Perfect, that's much easier.
Grab some napkins, Sam.
Right, I've got them.
Where should we sit?
How about that bench?
It looks a bit dirty.
I have some tissues.
You are very prepared.
Well, you know.
Here is your fork.
Cheers, mate.
Is it hot enough?
Yes, it's burning actually.
Be careful then.
I'll wait a second.
Does it taste good?
It's the best pasta ever.
This menu is huge.
I know, right?
What is penne arrabbiata?
It's a spicy pasta.
Is it very spicy?
Just a little bit.
I don't like chili.
Maybe try the pesto.
Pesto sounds much better.
It's very fresh here.
What are you having?
I'm having the lasagna.
Is that very heavy?
Yes, but very tasty.
I want a drink too.
They have sparkling water.
No lemon for me.
Really? I love lemon.
It's too sour, honestly.
Well, that's fair.
Are we ready yet?
Almost. Give me a second.
Check the specials board.
Oh, look at that.
Truffle pasta? Wow.
That sounds very fancy.
It's a bit expensive.
You're right. Let's skip it.
Let's stick to basics.
Basics are always good.
Do you want bread?
Garlic bread? Yes, please.
Is it to share?
Of course. Why not?
I'll call the waiter.
Wait, he's busy now.
He's coming over now.
Okay, you order first.
Can I have pesto?
And lasagna for me.
Anything else for you?
Just the garlic bread.
And 2 waters, please.
Still or sparkling?
Tap water is fine.
Save some money, eh?
Exactly. Soho is pricey.
Tell me about it.
Did you see that?
The guy with the dog?
Yes, it's so cute.
People are friendly here.
It's a nice vibe.
I love this neighborhood.
Lunch is coming soon.
I can't wait.
Me neither. I'm ready.
Here comes the bread.
Are we lost, Sam?
I don't think so.
The map says left.
Wait, let me see.
Is it this way?
Actually, it's right.
Are you sure now?
Yes, look at the sign.
It says 7 dials.
That's the right place.
Is it far away?
No, just 2 minutes.
My feet are tired.
We are nearly there.
Is the market indoors?
Yes, it is inside.
That is much better.
Because it's quite cold.
London weather is strange.
Tell me about it.
Was it raining earlier?
Just a little bit.
I forgot my umbrella.
Don't worry, I have one.
Is that the entrance?
Yes, through those doors.
It looks very busy.
It is a Saturday.
Everyone loves Italian food.
Well, it's the best.
Do they have pasta?
Loads of fresh pasta.
Can we buy some?
Yes, for dinner tonight.
I'm not a cook.
I can help you.
Is it easy to do?
Very easy, you'll see.
What ingredients do we need?
Flour, eggs, and salt.
Is that all really?
For the dough, yes.
What about the sauce?
We need fresh tomatoes.
And some fresh basil.
I love that smell.
Let's find the stall.
I think it's downstairs.
Watch your step here.
The floor is slippery.
Thanks for the warning.
No problem at all.
There it is, look.
Wow, so much food.
Where do we start?
At the vegetable stand.
Grab a basket then.
I have got one.
Ready to shop, Sam?
Let's do it, Mia.
Do we need flour?
Yes, get that bag.
Is this the right one?
It says double O flour.
What does that mean?
It's perfect for pasta.
Okay, into the basket.
Now we need eggs.
Are 6 eggs enough?
Yes, that's plenty, Sam.
Should we get oil?
Olive oil is essential.
This one looks fancy.
Check the price first.
It's 5 pounds, Mia.
That is fine, actually.
Do we have salt?
I have some at home.
What about the tomatoes?
Get the red ones.
These look very ripe.
Perfect for the sauce.
Don't forget the garlic.
I've got 2 bulbs.
Is that too much?
You can't have enough.
I agree with you.
Where is the basil?
It is by the window.
It smells so fresh.
Wait, we need cheese.
Parmesan is over there.
Get the big block.
It lasts a long time.
Is that everything now?
I think so, yeah.
Wait, what about dessert?
Maybe some fruit?
Let's get some lemons.
For a lemon cake?
No, just for water.
Right, I remember now.
Are you hungry yet?
I'm getting there, yeah.
Let's go to checkout.
The queue is short.
Do you have bags?
Yes, in my pocket.
You are so organized.
I try my best.
Should I pay this?
We can split it.
No, it's my treat.
Are you sure, Sam?
Yes, don't worry about it.
That is very kind.
It wasn't expensive anyway.
Well, thanks a lot.
Is the water boiling?
Almost. Just a minute.
Hand me the flour.
Here you go, Sam.
This dough is sticky.
Add a little more.
Is that better now?
Yes, it looks smooth.
Should I roll it?
Yes, make it thin.
This is quite hard.
Use your muscles then.
Haha, very funny.
You're doing great work.
How are the tomatoes?
They are nearly done.
Is the sauce bubbling?
Yes, it smells lovely.
Did you add salt?
Oops, I forgot it.
Add some tip or two.
I'll do it now.
Is the pasta ready?
Let me cut it.
Make long, thin strips.
Like tagliatelle, right?
Yes, exactly like that.
Okay, they look good.
Drop them in now.
The water is ready.
How long for these?
Only 2 or 3.
2 or 3 minutes?
Fresh pasta is fast.
I didn't know that.
Well, now you do.
Is it al dente?
Let me try one.
Be careful, it's hot.
Yes, it's perfect.
Drain the water then.
Where is the colander?
It's in the cupboard.
Got it, thanks, Sam.
Now mix the sauce.
It looks so bright.
Add the basil now.
It smells like Italy.
We are good cooks.
Well, we try anyway.
Is the table set?
I'll do it quickly.
Where are the forks?
In the top drawer.
I'm so hungry now.
Me too, let's eat.
Wait, the cheese first.
Right, I'll grate it.
How does it taste?
Oh, it is incredible.
Is it better than Camden?
Actually, I think so.
The sauce is sweet.
It's the fresh tomatoes.
And the basil helps.
It adds a kick.
Did I roll it well?
The texture is perfect.
I'm glad you're happy.
You are a chef.
No, we did it together.
Teamwork makes the pasta.
That's a good one.
Do you want more?
Just a tiny bit.
It's very filling, right?
Yes, I am full.
Have some water then.
This was a nice day.
I really enjoyed it.
London is fun with you.
Aw, thanks, Sam.
What's the plan tomorrow?
Maybe a long walk?
In the park, perhaps?
Hyde Park sounds good.
Will it be sunny?
The news says yes.
I'll bring the snacks.
No more pasta, though.
Maybe some fruit then.
That sounds much lighter.
I'll wash the dishes.
No, I will do it.
Are you sure, Mia?
You cook the dough.
Fair enough, thank you.
It's no problem, really.
Should I make tea?
A couple would be lovely.
Milk and sugar, right?
Just milk for me.
Coming right up, boss.
And call me that.
Okay, sorry, just joking.
I know you are.
The tea is hot.
Let it cool down.
Today was very productive.
And very delicious, too.
Italian food is the best.
I definitely agree now.
We should cook again.
Next weekend for sure.
It's a deal then.
Cheers to that, Sam.
Cheers to great pasta.
And great friends, too.